Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the map type in the ship tracking application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the map button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the button at the top of the page on the left, and at the map options section click on the map type button, and as you can see there are 3 options to choose from, so just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one. Goodbye.